In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these wheels, which are a big upgrade from the original ones. Here are all of the failed prototypes, and I finally got it out to this one right here, which works pretty well. Just so you can get an idea, this is how much larger the new tire is. You'll also want to glue the tire onto the rim, because you see this in the footage, but it's pretty often that the tire just comes running off the rim and sends your car straight into the dirt. And I use these tires from a Lego set I had as a kid. They come with these wheels, which I was able to model in Fusion 360 and adapt them to work with the hex system that these axles use. So pretty much, as you can see, the hex is in there, and pretty much that locks it into the axle. So I'll make that on here. I'll have these wheels as a Thingiverse file in the description. Make sure you print them with support. And I printed them on Ender 3, which worked fine with what I had. Anyways, I'll show you some footage from when I was driving this in an area where I'm doing landscaping work right now. It was pretty dirty and makes for some pretty cool off-road terrain.